Ganda yan, kantahin namin. Labaw kayong binso.
Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been.
Ano,
Lucky to be coming home again.
Ganda. Yes. Ay, putik. Naalala ko, akala ko kanta yung He's Mine. Putik. Naalala ko na. Putik. Akala ko kanta. Putik naman. Ako pala nag-compose noon. Okay. Bakit ganyan mga comment niyo? Tama na po. Opo. Pasensya na po. Hindi ko po sinabi lahat yan. Si Self yung nagsabi, hindi si Fiam. Sisihin niya si Fiam. Mga linya mo. Hindi ako nagsabi niyan si Self. Hindi ko mapagtatanggol yung sarili ko dyan. Bo, naligo pero hindi ko naligo.
Even when it's awful, still easier than committing. To face you might be missing and do the harder work of fixing all of the broken pieces out of place. Oh, nothing's easy, but you gotta believe me, you'll never truly be alone. It's okay to ask for help, don't need to fix it all by yourself. It's okay to find a friend to lean on and talk it out, talk it out. It's okay to ask for help instead of holding on to how you felt. So don't be afraid to go on and reach out. There's nothing to fear. Oh, I know you'll find someone who hears you. Oh, I know you'll find someone who helps you through the day. It'll soon be clear when you find someone who hears you. Find someone who loves the things you say. Oh, it's okay to ask for help, don't need to fix it all by yourself. It's okay to find a friend to lean on and talk it out, talk it out. It's okay to ask for help instead of holding on to how you felt. So don't be afraid to go on and reach out. I thought it was better to wallow than swallow my pride and admit that my life was feeling so hollow, and I couldn't handle it. I called a couple of friends and I carried
Because mine, you can win on everything that you try. Baby, you don't have to worry. You ain't no need to worry. I don't want to be through the bad times, even if I have to pet you every day. Goodbye, and it's mine. Maano ko dati, may eraserheads talaga ako dati. Name review. Masakit-sakit siya, kaya huwag kayo. Yeah, napanood ko na yung bago niyang edit. Gusto pa ba? Akala na. Ma-orange yung lemon ako dati. Tinan mo yung anak ko.
Puso pa ba ang harana? Marahil ikaw ay
Tapos, favorite ko sa mga OPM or mga old Filipino song. Eraserheads, Itchy Worms, Parokya ni Edgar, Orange and Lemon. Tapos, andito yung mga ano. Ano to? Sino ba kumanta? Silent Sanctuary, Remaya, Phil Valera, sakto lang ito. Pero yeah, nasa Spotify, nasa playlist ko siya.
Taka. Sino ba to? Mukhang gago, nagkandara pa sa pagkanta at nasisintunado sa kaba. Mayroong pandalang mga rosas, suot na may maong nakupas.
Hindi ko na kumaya-maya guys.
Ayan pa ang
Mukha na akong ewan
barkada,
din.
nakaporma nakabarong sa
Hindi naman. Sobrang oily naman
minus
dito.
one at singalong.
Puno ang langit ng bituin, pagkilamig pa ng hangin.
Sa iyong tingin ako'y nababaliw,
Kiliw at sa awitin kong ito, sana'y maibigan mo.
ibubuhos ko ang buong puso ko sa isang munting harana para sa iyo.
Do you watch K-drama? No. Before, yeah, I do, but not. Lucky! Basta, ayoko. Mamaya, kung ano pa sabihin mo.